Hello everyone, welcome to your tutorial class today on Galileo travel port. Today I'm going to be showing us how to display availability and get a price to give to a customer. Okay, we're going to assume a customer is traveling on the 27th January from Lagos to London Heathrow. Let's use asterisk. Asterisk was to display a specific airline we want. So if we use slash will give us other airlines and co-sharing. So we don't want that. We just want a flight that would go there without any sharing, co-sharing. So now we're going to use Ethiopia airline. As you can see, all these flights don't have co-share. Lagos has this about, as you can see. So let's pick the class. We're going to pick this one. Don't forget, if you have a display like this, when you are selling it, you need to use, let's say you need one economy line 1 asterisk. This asterisk is to sell to sell this connecting flight too. Do you understand? So now let's proceed. As you can see, we've sold. This is our result. So let's display the return. Let's assume coming back 28th of February from London Heathrow to Lagos. This is how to display the return. So let's display it. As you can see, let's pick economy 2. The reason why I'm picking economy is my entries of searching of getting the fare that will give me the cheapest I want. So now need one economy 1 asterisk. Okay, now this is it. If you want to retrieve your itinerary, asterisk, retrieve, as you can see. So this is what we want. This is the time we want. So now let's get a price. FQ. Don't forget that what we did, we sell full economy. So as you can see, this is the price for full economy. This is the total price, and this is the tax, and this is the NUC in Naira, as you can see. So all these are additional information. So this is the price here, and this is the price here. As you can see, all these are the prices. So this is for. So now you can go through it to see other. This is 2-piece, Lagos to London 2-piece, one baggage. You see, this is London to Lagos 2-piece too. Just always go through this information. So you're not going to give a customer 1 piece, taking is 2-piece. Okay. So now this is the price. How to get the price? This is how to get the price, as you can see. So let's now assume the customer say he wants the cheapest economy. So which class would that be to get the cheapest economy? Which class? Here the system is not telling us the class to change to. So now to get it, we'll do FQBB. FQBB. Fair quote best buy. So now this is the price for cheapest economy. As you can see, the system is now best buy quotation, lowest fare available for this itinerary. Always go through this information, move down like this to see everything. Always go through this information. If this is to display the rules is here, everything is there for you in Galileo, very easy. So always go through. See, we book best fare segment. You not do the same Galileo to change segment 1 to Victor, to change segment 2 to Victor, to change segment 3 to Quebec, to change segment 4 to Quebec. We're going to change segment 1 and 2 to Victor. We're going to change segment 3 and 4 to Victor, Quebec. But the system can actually help us to do that. actually help us to, you can change it manually, you can change this manually, or the system can help us to change it. Do you understand? If you actually want the system to change it for you, okay, let me just show us how to change it. Here. Let me just show us how to, let's assume the system is telling us to change. If there are two ways, okay, let me do the first one for you. The first way is just for you to change. System is telling us to change segment 1 and 2 to Victor class, segment 3 and 4 to Quebec class. So what we'll do is, so this is our change key. Heart is our change key. We are changing segment 1 to 2 to Victor class. Are you seeing it? According to what the system says we should do. To get this price. So what we'll do is enter it. As you can see, it has changed. Here, it has changed. And it's here too, it has changed. So now let's change segment 3 to 4 to Quebec class. This is our change key. Change segment 3 to 4 / Quebec class. So now if we are going to do if we just do FQ, you will see the fare. You see this is giving us, so it's not telling us to change anything again. As you can see, this is the fare now. The price is this. Very simple. Very, very easy. Let me show you the other way. Always go through this, always go through whatever you are seeing here. Go through everything, so that because some airlines have started selling one piece for passengers. Always go through it. So let me show us the other way. Ignore. Let me show us the other way. Okay, let me show us the other way. Let me go back to the availability. Okay, that we did. Okay, this is availability that we did. So let me show us the other way. Okay, this is what we saw. We saw this. Okay, need 1, Victor 1, asterisk. Then the display the return. This is the return. So need 1, Victor 1, asterisk. Okay, now we did FQ before to give us that 3 million plus. To give us 3 million plus. Now, because someone asks for, he or she needs to know the cheapest economy, so that he or she can decide. So what you need to do is now, how do you, the other way is to do, FQC. The other way is to do FQBB plus minus as you can see economy. Sorry. Yes. As you can see. But the system is telling us that to change, either way is to change the class. So another way to do that, to answer the system question, if I do FQBB, the system will tell us that same thing is said of now. That's the same thing. So all we need to do is FQBBK. It's asking us to input name. By the time we input name, need name, I just input name here. FQ BB, this first. You see now, I can now click this or type it. If I click it, fair quote, fair boot, best buy cabin. It will now help you to pick it instead of you changing the classes to what the system says to change it to. Should I click this place, or I just click this place, or I input it manually? As you can see, the system has helped us to reboot it by itself. As you can see, so this is the price. Where's the price? This is the price. Very simple. Galileo is so interesting, as you can see. So this video is to teach us how to get best buy, to check the class the customer wants you to check for them. So you will be giving them very high quotation. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you next class.